Want to transform your images into stunning artwork? Today, we're using IC Light V2, a powerful AI tool that enhances images with beautiful lighting and backgrounds. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for IC Light V2 Hugging Face. Click the first link or use the one in the video description. Wait for the tool to load. Once loaded, upload your image by dragging it into the image box or clicking to select a file. Now, we need to provide a prompt. You can create your own or use the quick list for guidance. The initial latent is set to light order by default, so we'll keep it that way. Prefix quick list determines the output style, subject quick list defines the main element, illumination quick list sets the lighting, and background quick list shapes the scene. I'll select options based on my image, but you can customize yours. Our prompt is, detailed photo of a beautiful woman, sunrise in the mountains, a misty lake surrounded by trees in the background. Click the Run button and wait a few seconds. The AI will process the image and enhance it. Here's our first result. The lighting and background are beautifully transformed. If you like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. To download, click the download button and save it to your device. Let's test another image. I'll upload it and choose a new prompt. Vintage photograph of a beautiful woman. Neon, Wong Kar-wai, worn. A futuristic cityscape in the background. Click Run and wait for the AI to generate the result. And here it is. The neon tones and cinematic feel are just amazing. Try it with your own images and see the magic. To save, hit the download button. That's it. With IC Light V2, you can create professional quality images in seconds. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI creativity. See you in the next video.